Let's go back to oogenesis. What is happening? This is where the main problem is. Oogenesis. Now, females, be careful. Be mindful when you are doing abortion. Be mindful when you are doing so many complex things with your life. Be mindful of your youth age. Avoid sex. Sex is not a good thing. Sex is only meant for married people. Avoid sex because you can keep on enjoying yourself for just 5 minutes and the boy will secrete 500 sperm to your body. What will now happen? You will go and do abortion, and when you do abortion, your cilia will become immobile, and when your cilia is immobile, what is happening? Your egg will not be able to take to the what? To the fallopian tube, and when your egg is not able to move to the fallopian tube by the cilia, what is now happening? It now lead to ectopic pregnancy. Your fallopian tube will rupture, and when your fallopian tube rupture, what happens? You will not be able to give birth. It will destroy, it will lead to bleeding. The baby is out of the uterine tube. It will damage your womb. Avoid sex. This is warning. I'm warning you now. He said, my people lacks knowledge. That is why you are doing what you are doing. If you have the knowledge of having sex when it is not meant to do, it will affect you. So what happens? Where is this then? So location in the ovary. That is where oogenesis is taking place. Ovarian follicles. So output, what is it giving at? It's every 1 month. So when you are seeing your menstruation, a menstruation is blood that come out from the uterus through the cervix to the vagina. We call it menstruation. Why ovulation? This usually confuse students. We have ovulation and we have menstruation. They are two different things. Oh. Don't confuse. Ovulation or ovulation is when the egg or the oocyte move from the ovary to the fallopian tube. That is ovulation. That is ovulation. Take note of that. Ovulation is when the egg or the oocyte move from the ovary to the fallopian tube is ovulation. While menstruation is the shedding off of the endometrium of the uterus. The shedding off, don't worry, you understand that very well during ovarian cycle. The shedding off of the endometrium in the uterus is what we call menstruation, and it occur every month. It might occur from 2 days to 3 days to 5 days to 7 days. 7 days is actually abnormal, but the normal should occur 2 days or 5 days for normal females. You'll be menstruating. So let's go back to our main topic of the day, which is oogenesis. We are not talking about ovarian cycle. That is ovarian cycle. Don't worry if you don't understand that. During our ovarian cycle, we cover everything. We have book. Our main aim is to carry book and open your brain and add it inside. Whether you don't want to learn it or what, you must understand it by fire by force. So let's start. Before oogenesis occurred, oogenesis have started occurring immediately. Female is a result of when eggs from the sperm meet eggs from the oocyte. They fuse together, they form female. Why? Whenever the man produce Y and they meet with X, we now form a male. So female already starts undergoing oogenesis immediately 10 weeks after fertilization. Fertilization is when the male meets the female egg. Is fertilization. So after 10 weeks, is approximately 2 months and 2 weeks. What is happening? Oogenesis have already started occurring. So what is oogenesis? Let's go. Oogenesis is the process by which we convert oogonium to one specialized or one ovum in the presence of sperm. Now, I want to bring something to understanding. Oogenesis do not complete until sperm is introduced into your body. Until sperm is introduced into a female body. So before we go to that, let's start. Oogonium undergo mitotic cell division. So what are we producing? We are producing primary spermatocytes. And during what? Before birth. Now let me explain. Let me bring something to your knowledge. As a female, you have 2 million oocytes. Oocytes is egg. You have 2 million oocytes.